This is the most amazing thing we've ever seen. This is right outside of our window. My God.
Our bedroom window.
Can you believe it?
Look at them down there.
Chinese New Year's Eve, and
That's when they're lighting them off.
Excuse me, can I just move a little? Hang on, hey, move. This is being let out right on the street, right outside of our apartment, on Huashan Road. Hey, get on.
They're letting them all off.
That's where they're coming from.
Oh my God.
Too bad for all the people walking along the street.
Unbelievable.
Shanghai, gotta love it.
Jeez.
Sydney, eat your heart out, huh? This is right outside our window, our bedroom.
Literally, if we open the window, we will get fireworks coming in our window.
Absolutely chock-a-block. Woo! Shit!
Jesus.
Oh my God! Thank God we stayed at home tonight. I think these fireworks are gonna go on all night.
They're just letting them all off down there, all over the place.
Wow! Look at that.
It's the most amazing thing I've ever seen. Happy New Year, huh?
Never seen anything like it. Woo! Oh my gosh.
Someone spent a little bit of money.
This is the longest video I've ever taken. Oh, fuck.
It's so high.
Wow.
Hopefully there's nothing.
Woo! I was walking outside on the street only half an hour ago. Luckily I'm not there anymore.
Oh, they've set them up. They've set them up on the road. There's people still driving past. There's cars over there which are backed up. They can't get through because they put all the fireworks on the road.